Okay, the second part of section 3 is still binomial radical expressions, but now we're going to deal with some multiplying and dividing them. The multiplying is actually pretty easy. The dividing way, I don't know. I know how much you guys love dividing. So dividing is a little bit more complicated, but it's not too bad. Definitely easier than the last section was. Okay, so my first type of problem, and I'll call this example 3 here, is to find the product. I want to do 1 plus 2 radical 7 times 4 minus 3 radical 7. And we multiply our binomial radical expressions the same way that we have multiplied binomials in the past. The binomials in the past, we've done like 2 plus x and x minus 5, things like that. In this case, our binomial just has radicals in it. So we still use our FOIL. Make sure each term gets multiplied by the others. 1 times 4, 1 times negative 3 square root of 7, and then the inside term here, 4 times 2 radical 7, and the trickiest part right here, 2 radical 7 times the negative 3 radical 7. Remember that we want to multiply the numbers in front of our radical and the numbers underneath our radical. Then we can combine our negative 3 radical 7 and plus 8 radical 7, since they have the same radicand and the same index, to be 5 radical 7. Bring down our 4, and this little bit here, negative 6 radical 49. Well, the square root of 49 is 7, times the 6 is negative 42. Last thing we can do, 4 minus 42 is negative 38, plus 5 radical 7. And remember, we can't actually do this last little bit. We can't combine anything else because we have our whole number. We have our rational number and we have our irrational. We can't combine those.